Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to delete a profile on YouTube Kids. If you want to remove a child's profile from the YouTube Kids app, follow these steps. First, launch the YouTube Kids app open on your device. Now from the home page, tap the gear button at the top right corner, and this will prompt you to solve a simple math problem or to enter your parental passcode. Go ahead and follow through the prompts and this will take you to the settings menu. Simply go to the My Kids tab and select the kids profile you want to remove. Now, you will need to enter your Google account's password. Go ahead and do that. And after you open up this section, make sure to select the kids profile you are trying to delete. You can also choose it from here. And then tap the three dots at the top right corner. Now from the pop-up at the bottom, click on Delete this profile. Click on Delete once more in order to confirm, and that way you have successfully deleted one of your kids' profile on YouTube Kids. Deleting a profile removes all preferences, viewing history and settings for that child. This action cannot be undone. So that's how you easily delete a profile on YouTube Kids. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.